What's up, everybody, and welcome to my channel. I am Mitchellette, and y'all, hey, guess what? Hey, I have 100 subscribers. So guess what, y'all? I'm gonna celebrate. Let's celebrate. And guess how I'm celebrating? I'm about to show y'all right now. But first, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button and be sure to give the video a thumbs up after watching. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And y'all, I'm so excited. 100 subscribers. Let me say it again. 100. Look at my lips. 100 subscribers. That is awesome. I'm happy. So the way I'm going to be celebrating is I'm going to be making me a cake, and I'm going to be doing it in this video. Welcome to my channel. Okay, y'all, so I'm not baking a fresh, look, I'm going to stay in my lane. And when I mean I'm staying in my lane, that means I'm using Duncan Hines. So,
make it enough.
but I'm going to be using Duncan Hines, but I'm also going to be adding the extra little few things into it that I usually do. So, with that being said, I hope you all stay with me and follow along. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so here are a few things that I have. I'm making a chocolate cake with cream cheese icing. I'm going to be using Devil's Food Cake Mix, cream cheese icing, and then I'm going to be adding a little bit of vanilla in it, oil, also water. I'm going to be putting these 100 candles right on top of my cake. I'm going to use a cup of water, a third of vegetable oil, round cake pans because I'm going to make a double layer cake, and I'm going to be using my red bowl and my mixer. Now, I wanted to make sure that I stress this, y'all. Every single one of these items I've cleaned out. I washed everything out. I'm really funny, so I make sure I wash out all my stuff. I make sure I clean really, really good. I'm really funny about that. I'm going to be using this cake plate, and this also I've cleaned out. So you want to make sure that you're cleaning out your stuff, even though it sits, because I had a little bit of dust on that, so I had to make sure I wipe that out. Hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm excited. And look, y'all, I'm also going to be using a little bit of this. Instead, I'm going to pour a little bit of that in the cake, which means I'm going to be using a little bit more water. The last and not least, I'm going to put a little bit of chocolate on top of that cream cheese icing. And this is going to be the bomb, y'all. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be turning the oven on 350. And I'm going to hit start. I'm going to let that warm up. But first, I'm going to be making my coffee. I already have one cup, so I'm going to make another one. So I'm going to do that first. And I'm going to get that thing started. The first thing I did was I went ahead and I oiled my pans. I used a little bit of vegetable oil at the bottom of the pans. It's up to you. You can just spray the pans, but I prefer vegetable oil because I feel like it does much better. And I forgot to tell you all that I definitely use eggs. So I used 3 large eggs to put into my cake. So let's get started. Let's get this thing going. I'm excited. I was going to do a voiceover, but I decided I feel like it's more fun when I talk to y'all straight from the gate. Oh yeah. I try to clean as I go. My mother always taught me that, to clean as I go. I'm gonna crack 3 eggs. And these are large eggs that I'm using. So I'm gonna crack 3 eggs. I'm gonna have my son help me by just helping me putting the stuff away so it won't be so messy over here. So I'm gonna crack the first egg. 1. Yo, this is exciting. 2. 3. I'm going to wash my hands real quick. I'm going to be adding vegetable oil, water, a little bit of this. This is by McCormick. Boom. That's it. That's it, y'all. That's it. I'm gonna put a little bit of this instant pudding in it. It's gonna give it some more flavor and everything. Look, this is the way I do things. Now, if y'all have comments, y'all want to say anything, or you want to tell me and give me some tips and stuff, I'd gladly take it. But this is the way I do it. And like I said, I stays in my lane. I do things the way I do it. Here we go. a little bit of that in there. Maybe add a little bit more. Ain't gonna hurt. Alrighty, y'all. It's time to mix. Time to mix. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start on the first. Let me see. You wanna put your cake mixer in there first, because you don't want to start it while it's not in there. So anyway, let's go. So what I'm gonna do, because it's a little too thick for me, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. My phone cut off. I wanted you to see me pour it in the pans, but here we go. We got them in the 2 pans. My son is gonna open up the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So 100 subscribers. Excited. These are going on the top rack. It is in there. Y'all, I'm excited. 30 minutes, y'all. 30 minutes. Okay, y'all, so my son's washing the dishes for me and helping his mama out. You want to make sure that you let the cake cook all the way through. Don't disturb it. And also make sure that when you take it out that it cools. So I'm going to show you what it looks like after it cooks and when it comes out the oven. It's time for me to get some lashes done and did. What's going on here? What's going on? So it's been 30 minutes, and so now it's time to take it out, and I'm about to take it out, y'all. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah, look at that cake. Oh yeah. So here's a closer look, y'all. This is what it's supposed to look like. We're gonna let that cool about 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna put the icing on the cake. And the chocolate. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all, so the cake is cool and I'm going to take it out. I'm gonna let y'all watch me take this out. Wiggle the pan a little bit. In this first layer, I'm gonna lay, oh, it's moist, pretty. I'm gonna lay it like that. The icing, and roll around like that. My mother taught me this. And then I'm gonna push that icing out. I'm gonna icing this first layer. Oh, y'all, it's so moist. Oh, yeah. Y'all, it's all in the wrist. All in the wrist. 100 subs. Kabooyah! Take the rest of the icing and the icing the rest of the cake. Y'all, this gonna be so good. You know, back in the day, they used to have more icing in here than this. I remember when my mother used to make it. So now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go around the cake. that I made. Got my 100 on top of my cake for 100 subscribers. And the, bring it close to you. That is Hershey sprinkles. That's what I call them, Hershey sprinkles. And I shaved them on top of the cake. Yep. There you have it, y'all. That was fun. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. We're going to be cutting into this cake in just a minute. I want you to see how nice and moist it is. So I thank y'all for sticking with me and hanging in there. Like I said, I stays in my lane, and I can only make a Duncan Hines cake. I can't make that other stuff that the bakers be making. Thank you for watching, y'all.
Make a wish. Yay.
Hey y'all, we cutting the cake.
So moist. Oh my goodness. What did you think? Good gracious. Good.
Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Nice. Mmm. Look at that. That looks so good. Mm. Now, y'all, she's honest. She would tell me if it's not good. Like, she would just be like, this is not good.
Melts in your mouth.